This is the welcome screen of the Adobe Premiere Pro. Here you can see the different tabs from the right side, tabs from the left side, and a lot of tabs. And you can see a tabs in the middle too. So first of all, let's discuss about these tabs. Look at these tabs. This is Home tab, Desktop, Documents, Downloads, Movies, Music, Pictures, and Sample Media. These tabs have materials which we have in our computer, in our laptop, in our Mac, or in our system. This is a project name. You can write a name of your project if you want to create any project. First of all, you select the name of your project. For example, we select that this is our first project. So we select that welcome screen. Select this welcome screen project. This is the area where you can locate your file. Select this and you find where you locate your file. If you want to choose another location, select this choose location and then you select your locations. First of all, if you want to create a new folder, select folder. You can write the name of Adobe Premiere Pro. This is the name of your new folder, your location. Export the file. Your file exists in this folder, Adobe Premiere Pro. Now select this folder and now you can see this is the location of your Adobe Premiere Pro. So this is your new project and this is the location where your file will be located. Now look at these tabs. What are these tabs? These are the thumbnails. While you are watching the thumbnails of different projects of different images and of different movies. These are the thumbnails of different movies or different projects or different images. So this is the thumbnail. This is the adjustment bar. You can adjust the size of thumbnails of your videos or your images. Now hold on this and you can adjust the size. Now look at this. You can enlarge your thumbnail size. You can adjust the size of your thumbnail from this thumbnail bar. So let's go to the next tab. This is a grid view. You can select these thumbnails as a grid view. Select this button. Click on the right side. Click on the right and you can see the grid view of these footages and of these videos. And what is this? This is a list view. This is a list view. You can see the images and the videos according to the list. This is a list view of the images and the videos. Now what is this? Can sort out any video, image, footage, audio from this sorted options. Now what is this? This is a file types displayed. Which type of file you want to display? This is a button. This is a small icon where you can display your file. For example, select this all exported files, videos only, audio only, or images only. If you want to select the videos only, here you can find the only videos. And if you want to select audio only, you can find the files exported for audio exported files. And if you select images, these are all images exported files. So this is for the file types display. What is about this button? This is a directory view. If you arrange your size about alphabetically ordered, then you select this and you can choose the any file you want. These are the directory views. For example, you are using Panasonic, you are using Cinema DNG, or whatever you want to use. You are using Canon XF, Canon RAW. This is the directory view of the files. This is for search file. If you want to search any file, write down the name of the file and you can search the files from here. Now coming towards the right side, this is import settings. uh, uh, what you want to import and where you want to import, and if you want to create a new bin for your media, you can create a new bin. Look at this new bin creates a folder in the project for imported media. Now this is a new bin from where you can create a folders for the project or for the new project. And now select this option and create a bin. Name of the bin you want to create, you want to write any name. For example, we are writing red. This is a red bin, so create a new sequence. If you want to create any sequence, you can create name sequence 1, sequence 2. You can create any sequences. First of all, you can select this button and then you can create any sequence. But right now we are not creating any sequence, we are creating a sequence when we use the workspace. So these are the bins. This is for project bins and this is for a sequence. This is for import settings. Click on this and you can see presets on this button. You can see presets, copied files, destination. Now you can see this presets and copied files destination. This is our import settings. Now you can see these are the tabs which we are using in our Mac, in our computer, in our system, in our laptop, where we put our files. So this is an area where we can find a sample media. You can find a lot of sample and you can select the sample for your project. For example, if we want to select this area, this is a view, and the next one is a beautiful lady. We selected these two videos for our project. So now look at this button, exit or create. Exit means you can return to home screen. This create means that you can create a project from these videos. So select this button. You can choose your project. So if you want to create any sequence and if you want to create any project from these files, select from these files and now click on the create.